Hello दोस्तों, hello friends. You all know that IMA offer a certification course, Financial and Managerial Accounting Associate, FMAA. The course is gaining significance, the course is gaining importance day by day. The reason for this, there are many students in India want to go abroad for graduation. Now they will be getting the admission in good university when they have some good certification done from a recognized university. For them, this FMAA is a very important course, can be done in 3 to 4 months. Those who want to do CMA US, the flagship course of IMA, but they are having hiccup, whether they will be able to manage the CMA study and all that, for them it is a foundation level thing. FMAA is the best thing for them. There are many who are having non-accounting knowledge, working professional, but they want to understand accounting, finance, management accounting, basic thing. Then FMAA is the thing. And because of all these things, FMAA has gained importance in the market and gaining importance globally day by day. We are starting our new batch for FMAA from next week. If you are interested, you can join. I took a webinar also for FMAA around 15-20 days back. You can check on my YouTube channel, Prakash Saraf Official YouTube channel playlist, and you will be able to see the FMAA, CMA US, CSCA webinar. You will be able to understand. Still, you have any question to ask, you can connect. The total cost to do this course is around 55,000, including everything. Institute registration, exams, our training classes, and everything. All inclusive will cost you around 55,000 to 60,000, and there will be classes of around 150 hours and around 100 hours self-study. The classes will be online live 2 days in a week, and after that recordings will be there. Recordings you can see on one big machine, one small machine. So I will advise all of you, think about this. Those who want to work in accounting, auditing domain, there is no criteria for entry. Even 8th passed student can enter in the course. It's a very good course, blend of accounting, finance, management accounting. You will get certification from IMA, which has good value in the market. Okay. So please see this, and if any query, then please connect with us.